Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video I am gonna talk about this tips and tricks of this Realme smartphone, that is the system cloner, how you can enable and how you can use it. So first you have to come to the phone management manager application, scroll down, click on this more feature like this, and you will see here it is showing like this. You can see there it is not any showing app cloner feature. You can just enable that, click on settings, and here it is apps. So here it is cloner. So you can enable clone your applications. Like I am cloning the Facebook one, and Facebook is cloned successfully. Now you can see there are two Facebook showing. One is the simple one and second the clone version of it, and you can run second account. And when you just delete this application, this will uninstall the another Facebook like this. Only one Facebook is there. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.